to another video. Today we got new tools from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes, and that'll help us out if you guys do so. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Before we head on forward, big shout out to Josh. I know you're watching and always commenting and following our videos. So shout out to you for reminding me to do a new tool or new item from Harbor Freight. All right. So we got new items here. We got main page here. So we got some new Laguna 2 1/4 suction cup, $1.99. This is in black. We'll show you guys what that looks like. Looks like you got two little levers there. That's the way it looks when it's close position, or on. That's the red one, and that's the aluminum suction. All right, and then we got this one, which is another style. It's a 2 1/3 inch dual suction lifter, 125 pounds. So I guess you can lift up to 125 pounds. This is for people that, this is especially for people that do like a lot of glass, like glass repair, or if you have a lift like a hood or a big door or something. Dual cups provide lift and better leverage for larger materials. $7.99. If you got a big piece of glass, if you do window repair or stuff like that. Got Advanti Airless paint sprayer, primer stain sprayer kit, $2.49. So basically, this is a really nice rig here. You got some wheels here. You got a metal frame, maybe a aluminum frame here. It says Airless paint sprayer, has powerful 3/4 horsepower, 3,000 psi pump to atomize and spray on thin paints, primers. And see, this is a big one here. Because sometimes you always have to dilute the paints. If you can spray it just like that, it's really convenient. So $2.49. Wow, this is a really nice rig here. That's where the prime button. All right, let's go back. Next one down, we got the Hercules. So we got the Hercules 20-volt lithium, half a gallon cordless wet and dry portable vacuum, only $59.99. Let's see here. Looks like it runs on battery, so it is a 20-volt unit. The battery's mounted back here. It does have like a removable hose you can, and then that's where the other hose goes. If you want to use this part, I guess you can leave the two hoses hooked up. That's where the battery goes in the back. That's the way it looks from the front, I guess. And maybe you can use it as a blower too, who knows. But yeah, you can use it as a vac there. So really interesting design there. Got Chief, a 1/4 professional composite angle die grinder, $49.99. Of course, with all the battery angle grinders that we have. Mainly this is for shops, like they'll use an angle grinder for hours, or half an hour straight. They'll just drain those batteries. So if you're a professional, that's probably where you want to go. See, this is what I want to get. I want to get something small like this, something small and portable. Got a 3-gallon. So if you guys know of any smaller compressors, let me know down on the comment section. I might go with a battery. I don't know. If I go with the battery, it has to be like a dual power, like a cord and a battery operated compressor. Got a 3-gallon, 1/3 horsepower, 110 psi oil-free hot dog air compressor. Also, if I go with the small compressor like this, it has to be able to do framing nailer, because I do have a framing nailer. I do have a brad and a framing nailer, so that's what I want it for. So if you guys have any recommendations comment down below and let me know what type of compressor would you guys recommend for that. Maybe something like this. This is a 3-gallon. Yeah, I think I don't know if I should just go with the 6-gallon or something like that. So they got a 3-gallon, 1/3 horsepower, 110 psi oil-free pancake air compressor, $59.99. You got the Grants Extreme foaming spray gun, 1999. Yeah, this looks pretty. This doesn't look too bad. If you're, yeah, it looks like, yeah, it's just pretty much your standard gun here with an attachment. Looks pretty nice. And then you do have like a hose that goes all the way to the bottom where it sucks all the. And then yeah, quick attachment there. It's really nice. Got some soap. Yeah, this is. I wouldn't say this is a foam cannon. I'll say this is mostly like a foam gun, soap gun type of thing. If you guys want to see a foam cannon, I do have one that I bought. I do have the video in my channel, so Foam Cannon 2 Head 147. Search that up in the search section of YouTube, and you guys can see that video. Let's see here. We got the 6-inch magnetic parts holder, red, $6.99. It says 30 parts holder, 10 pounds, has 10 pounds magnetic pull, and one more. It has like a rubber base there. So I'm curious to see. Josh had Josh, like I said, big shout out to Josh for reminding us to do a video like this. Anyway, Josh had a question. I don't know if these would actually scratch with if over time this will scratch. I would think it would scratch because it's it looks like it's powder coated. I don't know if similar to powder. I don't know if it's painted or powder coated. I would think it's powder coated. I think it would scratch. Maybe last a little longer, but I think it would scratch. I would definitely stick with something like this. This is harder to scratch. The chrome finish there. You got the green, you got the black. You got a 12-ton hydraulic low-profile heavy-duty bottle jack for $29.99. You got a Quinn extendable indexing pry bar, $59.99. Then you got a 24-inch pry bar, $49.99. Nice. Got a nice handle there. All right, you got a flashlight. So 20-volt lithium, 280 lumen, cordless LED stick lights. Only $27.99. Looks pretty nice. And I guess you can flip it down. So not too bad. 280 lumens. I would go with something else. It's just my preference. Anyways, we already went over these, so be sure to check out our other new tool videos that we just did. We went over these tools already. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.